Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be talking about number patterns, how to generate the triangle number patterns using Python. In this video we'll be talking about how to generate this, that is in the first row 1, in the second row 1 2, in the third row 1 2 3 up to 1 2 3 4 5 6. And one more concept we will learn is how to generate the triangle number pattern, that is continuous number pattern. If you are new to this video, please do subscribe to my channel. I have already covered star pattern generation. So if you want to see that video link is there in the I button. Let's get started with the printing the number pattern. So what is the logic over here is the function with value 6. This is passed here. The m is assigned value 6. Here I am taking a number which is initialized to 1. I am iterating through the range, that is 0 to m. What is the value of m is here 6. We are iterating through this 0 to 6, and again I am initializing the value, reinitializing the value of num to 1. For row in range 0 to m, that is 0 to 6, the value of row is 0 and it comes inside this loop. The num will be reinitialized to 1, and again we are iterating through one more for loop inside this loop. That what it does is, for j in range 0 to row plus 1, earlier what is the value of row? 0 plus 1 is 1. So it comes here and it prints the number and it comes out. It prints the number and number value will be increased. That is, number was 1 and now it is num plus 1 is 2. Again it comes over here, it comes out of the loop because only 1 was there. Again it comes out of the loop, again for loop is there, so value of row is increased to 1. What is the value of num is 1. For j in range 0 to 2, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 to 2, we are printing two numbers. We are printing number, what is num. Again here number values increase. What is 1 plus 1 is 2. Again it comes here and it prints the 1 and 2. It comes out of this loop, it goes here, row value get increased to 2. And what is the value of num? 1. Again we are coming here in this loop. What is 0 to 2 plus 1? 3. We are 0 to 3, iterating through the 0 to 3. It prints 1 and it comes here, value of num is increased. Again it comes here, it prints 2. Again value of num is increased, it prints 3. Similarly it goes on for here. It comes out of this loop, it come here, again m is increased to 3, that is it comes here, again 0 to 3 plus 1 4. It prints the 1 2 3 4. Again it comes here, the value of m is 4. Here what it does is 4 plus 1 is 5. It prints the 1 2 3 4 5. When it comes here 5, the value of row is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. It prints the 6 numbers and it comes out of this loop completely. Now let's run this code. We will run this code and see. Okay, we will run this code. Run. And what is this? Fourth one. Yes. Now I am able to see that 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'll change it to 3 values. Run again. So I should be able to see only first 3 rows. If I increase it to 4, now run this, I should be able to get up to 1 2 4 rows. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. Now we will talk about one more logic. What is that? We want continuous numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to 6 rows. So in earlier pattern what we did is, in each line, in each row 1 was there. Again we were printing 1 2, again from 1 to 3, and fourth 1 2 3 4 5. But in this pattern I don't want that. What I want is triangle shape number pattern, that is continuous number 1 2 3 4. This code is similar to the previous one, only the thing is we haven't reinitialized the num variable inside the for loop. I'll show you that. Here we had reassigned the num value 1, so that every time when it prints it should start from the 1, it should restart from the 1. That was the logic, but in this case I am removing that reinitializing number. So let's see this. This is a function with value 6. It goes here and m value will be assigned to 6 and the number variable is assigned 1. Now it iterates through the first for loop, that is range 0 to m. What is m here? 6. That is iterating through the 0 to 6. Again it comes inside this loop. There is one more for loop for j in range 0 to row plus 1. Initially row was 0, so it iterates through the 0 to 0 plus 1, that is 0 to 1. It comes here and it prints the number, that is 1. It comes out of this loop. Again it goes here. The value of m is row is here 1. It comes here. Range is 0 to 1 plus 1, that is 2. It prints the number 2. It comes here. Number will be increased, that is 2 plus 1 3. Again it prints the 3. It comes out of this loop. Now value of m is increased, value of row is increased, that is 2 now, when it comes inside this 2 plus 1 is 3, that is 3. We are iterating through from 0 to 3. It comes here, it prints a number. What was the last number we printed? 3. So number 3 plus 1 is 4. Again it comes here, again it prints 5. Again it prints 6. Similarly it keeps on going for the range up to 6. It will print this pattern. So let's run this program. Yeah, I see that this is the program. So what we got is triangle shaped number pattern with the continuous numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the only difference is with the previous code, what is, we have removed the reassigning the number. If we reassign this number, you will get 1 in the next row, 1 2 3 in next row, 1 2 3 4 5. Every time it starts from the 1, whereas in this case it doesn't restart from the 1 because it restarts from the last number. What was the last number? Value of the num it returned. Once it comes out of the loop, till it comes out of this loop. Yeah, thank you guys. This is what in this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.